At Excel by 8, we are investing in our youngest children because that's when we know their brains are developing the fastest. We need to start at birth or even prenatally. We need to look comprehensively at both health and education outcomes for children. We know that we need to invest in what we call a three-legged stool. We need to invest in communities. We also need to look at the state level to impact public policy, and we need to build the public will to make change at both the community and the state level. Excel by 8 has developed a resource grid, and it's really a way of looking at what families need to survive and thrive. We look at it like a power grid, and so we have a range of boxes that families might need related to families, communities, education, and health. And in any given box, it may be half empty or half full. And what we want to do is make sure communities have full grids with all the boxes full and all the connections working. We are focusing our policy work in particular around the prenatal to 3 space because we know that's where the most brain development is happening, and we know if we can make investments at that level, they'll have much higher dividends down the road. We know that it's going to take a while to achieve our goals, but we know we can do it, and we are in it together.